you guys are doing good and taking benefit from the content that we are posting on our channel. So guys, please subscribe, press the bell icon so you can get all the latest updates. And why you should press the bell icon, I will tell you now. All right, so BNB was at this point when we told you that it is going to hit this upper side resistance, and after that we told you that it's going to test the lower side resistance, and it will be consolidating within the channel for coming days. But after hitting this resistance, it has successfully flipped this. Not flipped, we will not call it flipped, but it has crossed this resistance. So now what we think is if the BNB can close the daily candle above this resistance, then as we have suggested that after, if it breaks this, then we are going to hit this zone here. So this is almost you can say from this level 13-14% setup, and if the candle doesn't close right now, we'll go to the BTC as well. So if the candle doesn't close above this resistance, then as we have suggested, it will do consolidation within the channel, and it can go like this, or go like this. So this is important, and closing the candle above this is going to be very important. As you can see, there is this support level available here as well, so it can do a little testing on this, or proper flipping is like, testing this and then start moving higher to the next target. So from here, if you see, it will be a good percentage, so almost 19-20% if it tests this properly. All right, so this is a BNB scenario that we think is going to happen. Let's jump on to the BTC, why we think that BTC can. All right, we will move to the 4-hour. Okay, so why we think that BNB can take a little bit, can come inside, and if it comes inside, doesn't close the candle above the level, then it's going to consolidate within the channel. All right, so the next thing is you can see the proper resistance, proper channel support resistance. So upside deviation you have seen here, and it was a deviation because you can see the candle within the range again now. All right, so what we think that it can do, this is a proper support in front of us. You see this, you see this, you see this. So this is important level. So what we think is it can go a little bit testing here, and then it will go and test this lower lower support at this point. So this is going to be important looking at it. This is inside the channel already now, and we think that this is going to happen next. All right, so this is a short analysis for the Bitcoin and for the BNB. For further updates, you can join our Discord. We are posting premium setups there, making good profits. You can join our Discord community, and our bots are free for you, and you can make good profits with that. All right, guys, thank you very much for your time. We'll see you again in the next video.